Alright, here we have some interesting developments in the phone world. So a couple of latest launches from Poco as well as Vivo, and you have some interesting launch here from Infinix as well. So make sure to watch the video till the end. There are a couple of interesting more news as well. So number one here is the Poco 7. So latest launch from Poco here. So it will be launched in India very soon. So Poco F7 is going to feature the first in the segment, the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4, absolutely latest and one of the best processor in the segment itself. So it's going to feature a Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 and it supports plenty of artificial intelligence capability, as well as the RAM support is immensely fast as well. So you're going to get absolutely beast of a performance in this phone. The second one is 7500 mAh whopping huge beast of a battery is going to be implemented in the Poco F7. So that's what you'll be getting, along with 90 watts fast charging. Now this 7500 mAh battery, how it's going to perform will be known only after the real usage test, because this huge battery, hopefully it won't blast while using. So that's the mind you get once you see such a huge battery jam packed in such a slim phone. Anyways, Poco F7 is going to feature that huge battery here. So along with that, you can say a negative thing here, it's the camera setup. So they are going to use only 50 megapixel primary sensor for the primary camera, and you have the 8 megapixel ultra wide. I think it's going to be fixed focus camera here for the ultra wide, and it's not that interesting as well. Also, hopefully for the selfie they are going to give you out of focus here, but otherwise that would be a disaster for the camera oriented phone here. And you will also be getting 6.83 inches beautiful LTPO OLED display, which is like 1.5K resolution display, which means full HD plus, and you're getting 120 Hz refresh rate. So in terms of display, in terms of performance and battery, this phone is a beast. So if you're looking for a phone at around 30,000 rupees, definitely wait for the Poco F7 and then you can decide for yourself. But if you're looking for a camera related phone, definitely you have plenty of options out there, so you can choose one of them. Number two news is the Vivo X200 Ultra. So the launch is very close and it's a beast of a phone. So absolutely jam packed with features to the brim, you can say clearly. So it's going to use Snapdragon 8 Elite, obviously the flagship processor here, and you have the beautiful looking display, 6.82 inches LTPO OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. More than anything, you will get quad HD display here. So beautiful looking display from Vivo, and they have been doing really well after the launch of the X200 as well as X200 Pro. Everywhere they're making some noise here, especially in the camera department, and that's going to be true here with the X200 Ultra as well. So you're going to get a 200 megapixel periscope camera here, so that should be absolutely amazing and the best in the segment, best in the business here. 87mm focal length, you're getting a 2.7 aperture with optical image stabilization as well. In the night time also it should be doing really well in terms of telephoto lens. With the primary camera, you have the 50 megapixel here at f1.6 aperture again for those beautiful looking low light images. A 50 megapixel primary sensor, 200 megapixel periscope, and 50 megapixel ultra wide setup as well, f2.2 aperture. So no matter what focal length you're trying to shoot, you'll be getting really amazing results is what we will hope for here. So other than that, there are a couple of interesting things here. One is the dedicated chip they have used for pre as well as post processing images. So whenever you press the shutter button, yes, you are going to get dedicated camera shutter button here with the Vivo X200 Ultra, and that's going to do a pre-processing as well as once you click the picture, you'll have a dedicated chip for the post processing of images. So another interesting thing here is 8K 30 FPS. Yes, it can shoot up to 8K 30 frames per second. You'll also have the option of 4K 60 FPS log video recording, 10-bit log internally. Yes, you can shoot log and then color grade, so you'll get that extra dynamic range if you want. So all sorts of that they are bringing here. Optical image stabilization is there, gimbal like stabilization is what they call. This phone is going to be like jam packed with features like I said, and it's one of the weight of the earphone, you can say. So X200 Ultra, very near launch. Let's see how it's going to do and how much the price will be. Next news, number 3 here from Infinix. They are doing something interesting and creative here. So they have developed this energizing scent tech. So the microcapsulation inside the back panel of the beacon leather is going to like give you that scent. So it's going to create an aroma based on your usage pattern. Maybe it's due to the heat, and it's going to infuse the scent around wherever you carry phone. And next time when you carry this Infinix Note 50s phone, make sure you don't use the perfume and let the phone produce scent for you. So that's going to be really interesting. And along with that, obviously the 50x Infinix Note, which is doing really well in the market. So that's the feature as well as specs you are going to get with the 50s here. So 64 megapixel main primary shooter, along with you will be having active halo light, which is their uniqueness here. And you'll also have 144 Hz refresh rate, 6.78 inches AMOLED display. They're trying to bring some value for money here. So it's a energizing scent tech is what the new thing here in the mobile industry. Only time will tell how it's doing once you start using it. And last but not the least, soon you'll be able to get hands-on with the Motorola laptops. Yes, you heard that right. Motorola is bringing the laptops into the market. They have the Motorola TV, they have the Motorola smartphone, they have the Motorola headset, and this Motorola is bringing laptops here. So with the teaser images, and you'll be getting it on Flipkart. So soon Motorola is going to launch various laptops here, laptop models. Now how they have entered into the segment, because their owner, who is Lenovo, so they are already PC maker, well-known PC brand, and Lenovo could easily bring Motorola into the laptop segment. So that's what they are trying to do. I think they are going to create an ecosystem around with the Motorola phone as well as Motorola laptop. So you'll have that interconnection with the two devices. So I think that's the idea behind introducing Motorola laptops, because they have the smartphones already. So just like Samsung's laptop as well as Samsung's smartphones, how they have beautifully integrated. So I think Motorola is trying to create that as well. So anyways, that's the latest update on the news here. So did you find it interesting? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends. And if you're new here, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care everyone. Bye bye.